Did you ever wonder how long Toothless lived after Hiccup died? Toothless and Hiccup were the same age when they met. So when Hiccup passed away, likely in his 70s or 80s, Toothless was around the same age, in human years. But here's the twist. Dragons age very differently. In the first movie, we see a massive dragon called the Red Death. She was over 1,000 years old. And according to dragon lore, a night fury like Toothless can live 200 to 250 years, maybe even longer. That means, after Hiccup's death, Toothless likely lived another 150 plus years, watching over the hidden world, raising his family, and carrying the memory of Hiccup every day. Over time he would have matured, grown larger, wiser, maybe even become the next alpha. But one thing never changed: his bond with the boy who changed his life forever. And yes, he did grow up. This is what Toothless would look like fully grown.